with another video. And sorry if this is really fast. I just really don't want to run out of space. And sorry this is so late too, because I've just been having a blast on this game. This is the Cod WW2 PRO Edition unboxing. And I already unwrapped it, so this will probably go a bit more faster. And here we have the steelbook for collectors. And it looks like the beaches of Normandy. Now, here, let me just put this down. And if we open this up, we've got this season pass with Carantan. We've got the digital content, which has the soundtrack, and the endowment, and zombies, camo. And then you can see this. I'll just remove this from here. And let me go get the disc. I'll pause the disc on my Xbox. There it is. This is a really cool disc. And now I'll put this all back. Now it's back at how it was. And since I'm getting pretty close to 100 subscribers, first of all, comment down in the comment section below if you want me to upload Call of Duty World War II gameplay and live streams, and tell me what time to do it, at what day. And also, I'm going to plan something for 100 subscribers. It will be very secret, and I won't tell any of you guys. So just wait for that when I get to 100 subscribers. And like I said, comment down below if you want me to make Call of Duty World War II videos, and when, and if I should make live streams and whatnot of it, and what day, and I'll try to do that. But yeah, I hope I can hit 100 pretty soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.